Hi everyone. Today I'm recording how you can create your archive, uh, custom post type archive overview. Um, I've had this question quite a few times over the past few weeks. People asking me, can you show me how you can create your archive view for the custom templates? Um, and I just want to show you how easy it is to do this. Um, I've set up a few books for a custom post type called books, obviously, and I've created the archive view called books archive. And since all fields, all um, the layout is put together using the Beaver Builder template and using the advanced custom fields values, it just appears empty. There's only the titles that are needed for your individual posts. So this is just a list of titles, read more buttons, and so on. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a nice overview using the Beaver Builder. So this is the overview, and I'm gonna head over to the dashboard. And first thing I want to do is create a new template for my books archive. So I'm gonna add a new template, call it books archive. I'll publish this template. And I'm not gonna launch the page builder, but at first I'm gonna set the rule that on each books archive view, I want to use this template. So I'm going to head over in the settings to the ACF Template Builder. And on the bottom in the rule set, I'm going to add a rule setting the archive books post type that I want to use the books archive template. I'll give it a priority of 10. I can add several before the content. Gonna get into that later on. So I'll save those changes. And I'll see that on a single book layout, I'll use the books template, and on the archive books layout, I will use the books archive template. So now let's head back to the templates and edit that books archive template using the page builder. Oh, hit a key on my mouse there. I'll drop in a new row layout. Nice column using the book heading. Control click, and I'll just pick the WordPress title value with no tag attached, just the title. Apply a style of heading 1. I'll just leave it at that. Save it. I'll add some. I like to use the text editor to insert my my other fields. So I'll add the description, and I'll add a link. I'll just click the WP. Sorry, and I'm gonna use the a button from Beaver Builder. I'll drag a button on this layout. View, and I'm gonna Set the title, I'll view and I'll get the WordPress title, and the link, I'll use the permalink. Oh, just all right. I'll preview the post. And you see this is going to be the archive view for just one post. Okay, I'll hit done. So this is my template. This is the books archive. I'll reload. And as you see, I'll have the Bob's Burger book, the description, and a button that will open that page. Some have some description, others have a shorter description. You get the general idea. If I click on the button, it will open my book, the Bob's Burger book page. But there's still this title in it and the read more button. We'll have to make that go away. So we'll have to customize the archive view. And we'll go into the content, archive layout. And in default Beaver Builder theme setup, the archive layout is the short, so there's no full text. If we use the full text, you'll see that the more button is already going away. So we'll save and publish this. And that's our layout. For this text, we're gonna need to change something in your theme directory, your child theme directory. Because this is hard-coded in the theme itself, in the main theme. So we're gonna need to override the content.php in your child theme directory, basically copying the content.php from the main directory. But I've provided the download the file with altered code, just 2 lines that will do a check. And if you put that in your child theme directory, your Beaver Builder child theme, you're going to be okay. So this is a default Beaver Builder child theme. It doesn't have the content.php file in it. So I'm going to copy that into the directory. So I've copied this file and it only has this check. If it's a post type archive and it has a matched key for the rule set, it will hide the title. So saving this file on each consecutive load, you'll see that it has the it is an archive view, and it does have a rule set, so it will load the template and it will hide the title that's below your template. So what you see in your archive view is that some of the posts have ability to leave comments and others do not. So here's a post that has the comments turned on, and here's one that has comments turned off. If you want to go into each individual post, you can turn those off, can turn those on. Comments will appear, or here's one comment on this one when you view the post. If you want those turned off, all you have to do is navigate to your custom post directory. You can bulk edit, and you set comments to do not allow. If you do not allow those posts, if you reload them, you'll see that on the ones that don't have comments yet, the comment on this article is gone. So you have to manually remove this comment if you don't want this enabled. So, and that's how you create an archive view using ACF Template Builder. Thanks for watching, and make sure to watch all the other videos as well.